Leonor here, and I'd like to answer the last couple of questions on this problem. 19, chapter 1, number 19. So number 3 is calculate the selling price. In order to do that, we take the selling price and divide it by the number of units sold. The same is true to calculate the variable cost. We take the total dollar amount and divide it by the number of units sold. You notice a pattern already. So for the contribution margin per unit, we take the 60,000 and divide it by the number of units sold. So the fact that we can calculate a per unit cost for sales, variable expenses, and contribution margin, actually this will answer number 6. So the contribution income statement, or the format, will allow managers to calculate what net operating income is because they know what the sales per unit is, the variable expense per unit, therefore the contribution margin per unit. And if you think about it, all they're really interested in, once they know the per unit, if that doesn't change and we increase sales, we double sales. So we go from 1,000 to 2,000. That's an increase of 1,000 units. And remember, our variable expenses will change when the number of units sold changes, but fixed doesn't change at all unless you're told that it changes. So the increase of 1,000 units to 2,000 increases the contribution margin from $60,000 to $120,000, and fixed doesn't change. So when we double the number of units, you can see that net operating income will change from 18 to 78. That's a change of $60,000. Now, this is the relationship. The change of 1,000 units, I'm going to put it down here so you can see it. The increase of 1,000 units will add $60,000 because we multiply it by the contribution margin. And that's the relationship. We'll be able to tell if we sell 1,500 units what the net operating income is because that contribution margin will not change unless we're told otherwise. And that is something to remember for future problems. So with that, we've answered 3, 4, 5, and 6. Leonor out.